Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I know you guys are distracted by this sweater. I actually just filmed another video. I filmed a Goodwill blue box blue box unboxing video, and this sweater was in it. And I was like, I'm gonna try it on because honestly it's so ugly. It's cute. That's my final opinion on it. It's so ugly, it's cute. It's Joseph A, which I haven't done the research on it. I don't know if it's the same as like Joseph A. Banks, like the men's clothing store. I think they make like suits and stuff. I don't know if this is like the women's version. I don't know. But this is a size small. If any of you guys like this, it'll be for sale in my Poshmark closet. I'm also going to put it up on Depop to see how it does. But yeah, it's a button-up sweater. And we have like embellishments. And yeah, it's pretty. First question. Over 100 items sourced and listed in 2 days? Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. That's how I roll. I gotta do it. Vanessa, you're a beast. True inspiration right here. Oh, thank you. Love this speed haul. Studying up on my way to go source myself. Your Victoria's Secret collection is just so cool. So many vintage items that it's just fun to look at. Do you have a price range you'd be willing to share of what you think is a wise amount to spend on a Victoria's Secret hoodie type item? I've been grabbing a ton, but some of my older pieces are moving slower than I thought. Do you find bleaching items helps them sell better than they would if you didn't? I found almost the same Free People Moto jeans the other week, slightly different in tan, but whoa, that is weird. Okay, so, it's definitely different for every piece, like the amount that I am willing to pay. I don't like to give out my cost of goods. I don't. Will pay more for like Victoria's Secret sweatshirts that are sequined, or pants, like sweatpants or leggings that have sequins on them, or have fur. That's like in right now. I'm selling so many Victoria's Secret sequined things and furry things on Mercari right now. It's crazy. Let's just say for like a Victoria's Secret sweatshirt, I wouldn't pay more than, if it was like a basic one, I probably wouldn't pay more than $5 for it. And then, what was your other question? Oh, about bleaching things. So yeah, I have found that bleaching things works. So I like to bleach like basic looking things. Like if I find like Nike sweatshirts with just like the swoosh logo on it, or Adidas sweatshirts with like the trefoil or trefoil, however you say that, logo on it. I feel like those sell better as opposed to if they were just left plain. I do think bleaching helps to sell things that normally wouldn't sell. I love bleaching things. I kind of stopped because it's like, you guys just see me the other day. It's winter time here. I live in New England. It's winter time. We have a shit ton of snow outside, and I usually bleach things in the summertime. You know, I can do it outside in my driveway. It's great. I bleached some things in my bathroom like a couple weeks ago or like a month ago, and that didn't turn out so well. Like I feel like I like singed my nose hairs. Like it was bad. I breathed in too many bleach fumes and it was bad. But my most recent batch that I did it outside, like in the snow. I had to like set up a chair and it was like 30 degrees out. I'm like, yeah, I'm doing it. So yeah, to answer your question, I do think that depending on the item, if you bleach it, FedEx is here. Depending on the item, if you bleach it, I do think that it will sell better. Next question. Hey, Vanessa, I love your videos. Thank you, Amy. Have you ever purchased something on Poshmark and received a strange gift with it? Bought a bundle of 3 items from this lady and she sent me some homemade brownies with it. I am super scared to eat them. Have you ever gotten anything weird, and do you give free gifts? Okay, I wouldn't eat the brownies. No. You know, she might have meant well, but she also might have laced them with something. You know, like I wouldn't eat them. I wouldn't trust food from a complete stranger. Maybe that's just me. I mean, you said you're scared to eat them too, so girl, don't eat them. Don't do it. That's kind of weird. I've never heard of people getting food. I've gotten like candies before, like Tootsie Rolls or like wrapped hard candies before. I have gotten like face masks, like small sample makeup items like mascara, and honestly I usually just throw them away. I know people mean well, but I mean, I got, especially makeup, I have so much freaking makeup, I don't need any more. I don't. So yeah, again, I know that, you know, they mean well, and you know, this lady, woman, girl, whatever she is that sent you the brownies, she probably meant well, but, or she could have laced them, you know, I don't know. My first thought would be, nope, no, don't eat them. Yeah, again, never heard of brownies. That's, I mean, were they still like good? Were they wrapped? Like, and what was the other question? Oh, do you give free gifts? I don't. So I used to at the beginning. I used to do a lot of things at the beginning. Ooh, that would be a fun video to make. Like things that I did at the beginning of my reselling career versus things that I don't do now. Yeah, that'd be a long ass title. I did used to give like free gifts. I would give makeup items, like unused makeup items, again, because I have so much of it. And I would also write thank you notes. That was too time consuming. Now I just have thank you stickers. It's so much easier. I just put the thank you sticker on the bag that the item is in, and you know, it's the same message. I mean, some people might think a handwritten thank you note is better than a printed sticker, but I don't have time to handwrite thank you notes for all my sales. Like, no. But again, that is a very nice gesture. And, you know, if you have time to do that, you can do that. On the flip side, though, I have heard people say that they don't like that because, especially on Clubhouse, I was in a room one time and there were so many like conscious, like earth conscious people, just like smart people, basically, that were like, you know, I don't like getting extra waste, you know, because I just throw it away and it's extra waste. You know, the people that are like, oh, I don't like extra packaging, you know, don't put the fluff in the packaging, just send it to me. I don't put fluff in packaging, but I do send my items to make sure that they're protected. You know, like I put them in a clear bag and then they go in a poly mailer or a box. And some people say, oh no, just put the item in a box. I'm like, then, you know, then you risk damaging the item. So yeah, on the flip side, some people don't like that because they think it's extra waste. I personally, I mean, I think it's extra waste when I get stuff like that. Like I said, I just throw it out. Again, a nice gesture. I'm sure majority of people mean well, but in my opinion, no, I don't do it. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Also, if you want to purchase a sweater, it's a sweater. If any of you guys want to purchase a sweater, check my Poshmark closet because I am going to list this. Again, it's so ugly, it's cute. Like, I don't know. Some of you guys might truly like this, and I hope I don't offend anyone by saying it's ugly. You know, like there's lots of fashion things that are ugly, but you know, it's fashionable, it's fashion, you know, like, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.